Having trouble seeing something on your iPad screen? Luckily, iPad OS's zoom feature is simple and easy to set up and use. To set up zoom, we will first go to the Settings app. From there, we will scroll down and navigate to the accessibility options. Here, we will then click on the zoom button. Now all we do is toggle on zoom and it is ready to go. Let's say we are reading a textbook and there is a caption that's hard for us to read. We can simply make use of the zoom to read the text. To begin, simply double tap your screen with 3 fingers. Now let's move the window over the caption we are trying to read. To move the zoom window, we can simply drag the handle at the bottom and move it anywhere on the screen. We can also move around the screen within the zoom window by dragging 3 fingers across the screen anywhere. We can also adjust the magnification of the zoom window by double tapping on the screen with 3 fingers and dragging up or down. Once we are done, we simply double tap the screen with 3 fingers once again and the zoom window will disappear. And that is how to use the zoom feature on iPad OS.